Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kanong mikmat sa kayeng darbar tawan ke Jala Meghalaya, na East Shillong constituency, kabadairu na kasang Kongres ke Dr. M. Amporin Lingdo, kal ajing mod ya ke Sorkar Jala, ban khot perlong no da ke Jingïalang, Jong Baroh ki Saiñ Pyrthei, ke Jala banyak keren halor ke Jing Temu, Jong ke Sorkar Pedang National Democratic Alliance ke Balai Lam da ke Seng, BJP, ban wanra ya ke Citizenship Amendment Bill ha ke dorbar ha Parliament, na ke benta ban pelong an ya ke ni. Ya kani ke Jing ajing mod ke Dr. Amporin Lingdo ke lapan pau, ha ke Jing keren bat ke Batisi TV, da ke baong ru ba ling ba kani ke Jingïalang, Jong Baroh ki Saiñ Pyrthei, ke Jing Pyrshah ya ke CAB, kan long ke dakasur ke bayaran ti. Kenang ban pene pensak ru ya ke Jing Song Saiñ, ha kani ke Jala, kumbalong Baroh shikata.
I am deeply concerned about the fact that the CAB is now taking shape in a very definitive way. We are seeing now that the KSU is in a sit-in demonstration in the city, and we are finally coming to terms with the fact that yes, in the session that is currently being held in the Parliament, the CAB will be a major agenda. I think at this point of time, it would be correct for us to suggest that the government of Meghalaya should immediately call for an all-party meeting, because I feel that we need to ensure that CAB is a unanimous voice, voice against the CAB is a unanimous one, and that we ensure that the peace that we've been enjoying in the state doesn't take a setback. I feel that to just say that the Citizens Security and Safety Act has been put in place and that it would attend to the fallout of CAB in general is insufficient. We cannot take this for granted, because as we know, the citizen amendment, the amendment on the act is actually an ordinance which has not also become effective. We've seen that the facilitation centers are still not operational. We don't know whether the Citizen Safety and Security Act will actually cover the threat that the CAB in general has. So, as a responsible legislator, I feel that the government of Meghalaya should immediately call for an all-party meeting and give us a clear indicator as to whether or not the government of Meghalaya will protest the implementation of CAB in our state.